Hi, my name is RandyMacomb. Thank you for watching my short video. An inexpensive way to preserve jigsaw puzzles for display and future reassembly. With some puzzles costing as much as $150, it made sense to me. I retired several years ago and my family decided I needed something to do, so they bought me a puzzle. That worked out quite well. Now I have about 50. I could not find a video like this, so I'm trying to make my first video. Comments are welcome. Add your email if you'd like a copy of the notes. Some of the things that I have tried. Put it back in the box, but this did not display your hard work. Glue in the back of a board, but this is no way to reuse or share. Then I said, oh yeah, I'll put blue painter's tape on the back side and put a plastic frame around it. This should work. Then I discovered that the tape hardened and some of the pieces fell off. Next, I tried a plastic sleeve. This didn't work, the puzzle fell apart. This is what I decided on. I took a foam board, just heat shrunk it to the back side of it, and make it durable, can be used, plus you can slice it open and reassemble it. These are the items that you'll need. A finished puzzle for my demonstration. I'm going to keep the blue tape on it. Foam board cut 3/16 inch larger than the puzzle. 2 large foam boards cut about 8 inches larger than the puzzle. Vinyl heat shrink film. You can buy this at Lowe's or Amazon. Make sure you get, this is the stuff you use on your windows, make sure you get the 1.5 mil. A towel, about 8 inches larger than the picture. This will help you keep the pieces from shifting when you're moving them around. A piece of wax paper. This makes it easier to get the film out, or the picture and cloth out. Foam tape, or pardon me, it would be the Scotch tape, cut to 8 inch or 4 inch lengths, both 3/4 and 1 7/8. You can buy this at the hardware store. You also need a heat gun set to low, a foam sanding block, which should remove the sharp edges, tool to help square up the corners. I'm using a triangle with smooth edges, and of course a cloth to wipe down the area. First thing you do is break the sharp edges of the foam, all the foam pieces and the puzzle. Clean the puzzle and the foam board. Clean the work area. Make sure there's no debris that can get inside the puzzle. Place 1 large foam board on the work surface. Center the puzzle face up. Easy for me to do with the tape on it. Center the puzzle face up on the foam board. Center the shrink film over the puzzle. Center the wax paper over the shrink film. Center the towel over the assembly. Center the second foam board on top. At this point in time, you'll carefully flip the puzzle over. To do this, you may need help to do this so that the puzzle does not move. Then you remove one of the foam backing boards. You take your foam backing, the actual backing board itself, put it on top of the puzzle. Now it might be a good idea to remove the blue tape if you have any. Then, starting at the longest edge, you tape the film to the backboard, being careful to tape it to the backboard, not the other side of the film. Positioning with the small pieces. finishing up with the larger pieces. And you do the top, same thing. And you do the ends, and you square it up as you go along. Again, try not to get any wrinkles in the corner. Fold it over a little bit. Again, making sure you tape it to the film, to the backing board, not the other side of the film. Flipping it around again, making sure you tape it to the board, squaring the corners. Doesn't hurt, doesn't care how much tape you use. Check to make sure that the puzzle pieces are still centered. Slide the paper towel, wax paper, and even the backing board out, or the large board out. And you take the heat gun, and starting in the center, you actually shrink the puzzle on the back side first, trying to get all the wrinkles out and get it smooth. Let it set for about 5 minutes, and you flip it over. Starting in the center again, shrink the film on the other side, okay? Making sure you don't get too close or it'll bubble. Then while it's still warm, you flip it over, and you wait about 10 minutes, and it should be done. Thank you for listening. I look forward to your comments.